Gobi, I'm Betty. Today I want to make a salad, and not just any other salad. Like, this is the one where you're going like with your girlfriend to that upscale bistro for brunch, and this is that $18 salad. This is that kind of thing. So in order for a salad to go from not exciting to amazing, you have to have a ton of textures and flavors. You have to combine them in a way that it brings everything together instead of things just standing out and being separate. It has to all come together. So the more textures and flavors you can bring in and have them combine, the more amazing your salad will be. So the first thing we're going to start with is arugula. A lot of people don't buy just straight arugula. It's quite peppery, so it has already a layer of stronger flavor. But I got this at the farmer's market. It's triple washed, so I'm not washing it. We're going to start with that. So a nice bed of arugula. The next thing we're going to have is fennel. If you've never had raw fennel, it's delicious. It's amazing cooked as well. You don't need any of these top parts or the greens. Sometimes people do save this. You can eat it. It adds a little texture. So actually, I'll throw those in our salad. It looks like dill, does not taste like dill. So fennel has a little bit of licorice flavor to it. And I'm not even a licorice lover, but I love fennel. So I'm gonna actually get this bulb in half. I'm gonna get the little root part off the bottom. And then we're gonna put it on our microplane mandolin. I have mine on a 1. And I can do this for a little bit, but once I start getting down closer, I need to use the guard. But for now, I wanna make sure what I have is okay. That was still a little bit too much with the root. See some like this. And then you're gonna have some really nice pieces, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. So maybe I'll go that way. I just need some for texture. That's probably plenty. I just want these beautiful pieces. So reserve the rest for, you can throw it in the oven, olive oil, salt, pepper, 425 degrees. Put it with potatoes, carrots. Oh, this is delicious all by itself. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, next up, radishes. So I have already given these a good rinse. So I just need to cut off a couple of them. I don't need too many. And again, this is mostly just for color. So I'm gonna cut the bottom off and also add a 1. We're just gonna do some of these. Perfect little beauties. Again, please use the guard. I'm just gonna be very careful. And maybe when I get down too far, I'll just stop and then we'll just snack on those as we're waiting for dinner. Better be safe than sorry, Tommy.
Yep.
Oh, aren't those beautiful? All right, so we have lots of our peppery things. So now we need something herby. So mint is probably the best choice for this. I can't think of another herb that I would use. So go ahead, after you've given it a good wash, pick off all the leaves. I'm not going to cut it real fine because it often does bruise it. So I'm actually gonna leave these pretty much as is, just barely torn. I feel like then it won't blacken because mint can blacken very quickly, just like basil, and I don't want that. So that's our herby element. Last couple things that we need for crunch: pickled onions. You can go to my link if you want to learn how to make pickled onions. It's actually a lot faster than you think. They never go bad. You can have them sit in the fridge for forever, but they won't last long because they are amazing. You're just going to use them. So let's get a nice little handful of these. Oh, I love the bright pink colors. Very pretty. All right, the last bit for our crunchy part: toasted, salted sunflower seeds. So now we're done with the crunchy stuff. Now we need some softer, more tender things. So I'm gonna peel a couple clementines. You could use cuties. Any like really nice tender orange that doesn't have a really thick pith. As you can see, this is a very, very fine pith. And you don't want seeds, so you're gonna have to watch for it. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut it in half. Oh, I feel some seeds, I think. Oh, mercy. These are called mercots. They look delicious though. I got them at the Asian market because I didn't want to buy a whole bag of cuties. And then I want to slice them this way. So kind of like a quarter of an inch, maybe. It really adds just tons of juiciness and color. So depending on the size of your orange, I'm gonna end up doing probably 3, and then you need 1 for the dressing. Last thing we need to add, oh, sorry, excuse me. Oh goodness. Last thing we need to add is something that is creamy and even more pungent and flavorful, because we have to balance out the radishes, the pickled onions, the mint, the arugula. So you gotta have something that's also contrasting but amazing. So blue cheese, the crumblier the better. This one is not super crumbly. It's St. Agar, I think, from Costco. It's the only blue they have right now. It is delicious, but it's definitely on the soft side. So you can put in a little bit now, but maybe save a good couple teaspoons and stuff for serving so that you could definitely have some on top. So that's what I'm gonna do because it's so rich and soft. Next thing, I wanna just get the juice of 1 lemon and our orange. Ooh, juicy. 1 more. Ooh, I could drink it. Now I wanna blow your mind. So there's only 1 spice that I'm going to add to this little dressing. And as soon as I say it, you're gonna be like, what? I know, it's crazy. But all these crazy things in here go together. Teaspoon of cumin. Whisk it in. And I probably have almost a half a cup of liquid here. So depending on your preferences, just a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Use a really good one. Gorgeous. That's it. I am gonna put a little pinch of salt and pepper in there. Another quick whisk. And don't forget to taste it. So grab yourself just a plain couple pieces of arugula, give it a little dip, and really taste it. I think it needs more lemon. So I don't think it was juicy enough. I will say that was an Aldi lemon that I was using, not a Costco lemon. So now we've got the big guns. Oh yeah. Okay, whisk. And remember, we don't have a ton of olive oil in here, so it's not separating. You'll be fine. Try it again. Ding, ding. Way better. Need salt. So I think half the reason why people don't think they're good cooks, they're just not remembering to taste along the way. If I was just guessing, then this wouldn't have been good. You gotta taste, test it, check it out. Yes. Woo! All right. We're gonna dress it, plate it up. I'll see you in a moment. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. So this is gonna make probably 4 large lady kind of salads for lunch. If you have a protein, then you can obviously serve a little bit less. You do need to serve it right away, especially since you're tossing it all at once. Salad tastes totally differently if you really kind of massage all the flavors into the greens. But you're gonna have to serve it quickly because arugula wilts faster than, say, romaine. This salad has 11 different flavors and textures in it. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. Arugula, mint, orange, radish, sunflower seeds, fennel, pickled onion. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's so many flavors and textures that just like, your mind can't even comprehend it, but it's so happy. This is a wonderful salad. I hope you enjoy making it as much as I did. Thank you for joining me at Go Beyond Betty, where you are taking whisks in the kitchen. We'll see you again next time. Bye. Oh, mercy. Mercy. Wow, it's getting all kinds of seeds in there. Son of a pup. Fail technology. I do need a little whisk. I could use the fork, but that's not professional because we take